The remote start operating range is approximately 200 feet from the vehicle. For remote start to function, the car must be in park with the ignition off and all doors must be closed and locked. Laws in some communities and states may restrict or forbid the use of remote starters or require a person using remote start to have the vehicle in view. Check local regulations for any requirements. To start the vehicle remotely, press the lock button to lock all doors if they are unlocked. Aim the intelligent key at the vehicle and push the lock button again. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the engine start button for at least 2 seconds. The engine will start, the parking lights will turn on, and the automatic heater and air conditioning system may begin heating or cooling the vehicle, depending on the outside temperature. The engine will run for 20 minutes and then turn off. Press and release the engine start button on the key fob at any time to cancel the remote engine start. The vehicle needs to be driven at speeds of 4 miles per hour before remote start can be used again. To start driving after using remote start, apply the brake pedal and press the ignition switch. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.